Hello and welcome. I am Danish Ali from Graphicster Production, and today in this video I will show you how you can paint yourself, your photos exactly as the Joker. So for that you will need Photoshop, and it's easy. It's very easy, but you will need to learn how you can do that. Are you really excited to turn yourself into a Joker? If yes, then stay tuned till the end. So now without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. Okay, so first of all, open your image in Photoshop and adjust it according to your needs. I added some curves and adjusted it according to my needs. After that, I converted them to smart object, both the layers, and added a hue and saturation layer. Checked colorize box and took the saturation down to 0 and increased the lightness to 90%. And then I created a layer mask, inverted it, and then started to paint it. Also, don't forget to set the foreground color to white. I painted the whole face with white color, and as you can see, the face was looking a little grayish and it was looking a fake look. So for that I added a curves adjustment layer, took the Excel to the left side so that it increases the brightness of the color, white color, and it looks more realistic. After that I again added a hue and saturation layer and changed the color to red, increased the saturation to 90% and decreased the lightness to 90%. After that I painted the mouth according to the need of the image. It can be different for every image because here you can see that the angle for the face is not right, so I tried to paint it a little differently, because if I had a face straight, yeah, if I had a straight face, then I would have painted it uh, so simply. But for that angle I changed to my mind to paint it like it's coming from different angle. After that I again added a hue and saturation layer and colorized the eyes, the white areas of the eyes, and changed it to a little dark so it looks like it's giving a dark dark look. After that I also tried to change the pupil color to blue, but it was not looking good, so I removed it and added the paint around the eyes just like Joker. As if you have seen the movie you will know. And then I adjusted the color to dark blue. It was looking fade, so I changed the color and I added the same color to the left eye, painted it according to the needs. Then here come the eyebrows, painted the eyebrows according to the angle, and yeah, it's done. Now second eyebrow, same process I repeated, but for the left side I tried to keep the paint a little bit smaller, painted areas little bit smaller because it was coming from different angles. And then I added the red eyebrows of the Joker face. It's looking weird, but still it's good. Just did it, and yes, it's good. After that, as you know, that Joker wears red coat, so I changed the color of the coat too. And for that I again added a hue and saturation layer and changed the color to red and took the lightness XL to 90% and saturation to plus 90. After that I painted it, and then you can see I have changed the color of the shirt too, as Joker wears blue sorry green shirt, and for that I took a dark green color and painted the shirt with it. As you can see it was going out of the areas of the shirt, so I decided to turn off this hue and saturation layer and select the shirt using quick selection tool, and then I turned on that hue and saturation layer and then I painted it again. Like I painted the areas that I don't need, and then I go selected that hue and saturation layer and made a selection, and I went to select modify expand, expanded the selection to 1 or 2%, and then I painted it so it is not looking fake. After that I colorized the hair too. It was so simple, so not enough need of expertise, but still you can see the hairs on the back side, they were looking a little fake. So I decided to reduce the flow to 1% and then I painted them, so they are also giving a good look. So here I was done, and the whole face was ready, image was ready. After that I added some curves, adjustment layers to the green color, and I tried to add a jacket. You can see a three-piece jacket of yellow color, as it is the dress of Joker. And I added the color, I changed the blend mode to color, and I added some drop shadow, adjust the colors, but still it's not looking good. The jacket was looking very fake, so I decided to delete it and create another jacket. And for that I went and selected pen tool. With new layer selected, I created another jacket with a little different design, and just that suited. Again I painted it, changed the blend mode to color, and then I removed the extra areas from the shirt, and the image is ready. You can see we are done. So portrait is ready. Here we are done with it. So I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I need your support in this cause. I hope you will also like the new videos coming soon. It was the episode 2, so stay tuned for the full season, full series. And that's all from today. Let's see you on the other side. Until then, bye bye.